What is up, guys? Today I'm at a pond, as you can see right behind me. Today we're going to do a special fishing challenge. Now, yes, most of you, okay, there's the wind, but most of you guys hate bass fishing. I don't know about hate, I shouldn't say hate actually, but a lot of people on this channel, you know, they come here for the multi-species fishing and trout fishing, and they don't like just watching the normal bass fishing videos. So today I'm going to add a little bit of spice to it to hopefully, you know, get some other people watching this, but also I'm going to enjoy this too. Let me just grab the rod. So today I'm going to do an antique bass fishing rod challenge. So I think 2 years ago, I was at my grandpa's house, and he had a bunch of old fishing rods from when he fished. And this, I think this was when he was like in his 40s probably. Not when he was like a kid, because those rods are probably like super old. Sorry, Grandpa. But so I have this old Silstar bass fishing combo. It's a very old conventional reel. Ignore the shrimp, that was on there from a challenge that I failed a long time ago. But so this rod is a 5.8, I believe. It is a 5.6 medium heavy rod. It is an old pistol. It's an old pistol grip. It's an old pistol grip rod. Like I said, it was made by Silstar. Now, Silstar, they're not around anymore, I don't think. Very old brand. You know, I don't even know how old this rod is. If you guys know anything about Silstar, let me tell you the model. This is a Pro 1 Silstar combo. Yeah, Pro 1 Silstar combo. And then the rod, or just a reel actually, and then the rod is a Silstar BX Light 98% graphite. And the model number is BX 56 BC MH for medium heavy. So I don't know anything about this rod. Like I said, if you guys know anything, please let me down below. So the plan is to catch at least one fish on this. I don't want to make a challenge video and catch 20 fish on it, because then, you know, and I chose a place that's very hard to fish. This place has a bunch of small fish and is mainly fished out, so there's not too many bass left in here. So that's why it's a challenge, you know, it's got to be hard. And this reel, it's kind of broken too, so it's definitely gonna be a challenge. Okay, I've been talking for pretty long at this point. I know you guys just want to see this challenge, so let's go. I'm gonna start out with a Senko. Let's see if we can catch some bass.
That's not gonna work. Backlash number 2. Alright, let's see if the bass grabber Senko will rotate. Nope. I'm not sure why it's making that noise, but I think the moving bait is probably going to be better. Can't really do, I'm kind of limited. Got one! Got one! Yes! Dude, what? That was quick! Yes! Yes! Oh no, he swallowed it pretty badly, but see if we can get it without hurting him. Oh my god, he's got some parasites in his gills. He's got a hook in his throat now. Alright guys, so this little tiny bass munched the Senko on the antique fishing rod. That's just awesome. Alright, I'm gonna get a picture for the thumbnail, or maybe not, I don't know, and just chuck him back. Yeah, let's just put him back, because he's bleeding. Alright, see you little dude, thank you for biting. Alright, we're going to switch over to a size 1 Texas rig hook, which I got in my mystery tackle box for the month of September. So let's see if we can actually technically knock this one off the slam list.
Alright guys, so I'm already halfway around the pond fishing with this bait caster. It's very crusty, makes a weird sound when it casts. No flex at all in the rod, like it's just a stiff broomstick basically. It's hard to cast. the tension knob's broken. There's a lot of things wrong with it. Gonna make the second half around, and then I'm either gonna go up to the second and third pond, or I'm just gonna switch lures and keep fishing. I feel so defeated. Tried a Texas rig, ribbon tail, dragging it through the bottom, which I thought would work. Didn't. That since they don't want these bottom baits, I think we're gonna move to moving bait. I'm gonna try a jerk bait, and there's a lot of weeds in this pond, so if I keep getting grass every cast, then I'm gonna switch over to maybe even a topwater or a spinner bait or chatter bait. Now I don't think the fish in here are big enough for a spinner bait or chatter bait, but it doesn't hurt to try. So let's get going. Hopefully we can get something.
I really want to use a jerk bait on 20 pound or 15 or whatever 20-pound mono. I'm not sure what it is, but that's what I have to do. I would tie a leader on, but this mono is so weak that it doesn't work. Could tie a swivel on, but I'm not about to do that. Maybe we can catch a pickerel. Oh man, this thing's not meant for jerk baits. I can barely feel the jerk bait on here.
Another update, the jerkbait was, guess what, a fail. I don't know what to do. Maybe switch to topwater or Senko again? I don't know. Senko seems to be the thing I'm leaning towards.
Come on. Yes. On the topwater. Dude, I saw him eat it. I saw him eat it. That was just crazy. On the head and tiny torpedo. And on the, obviously, the antique rod. That's awesome. It is another dink, but I am never so happy to see a dink. That is just awesome. Antique rod fishing challenge. That's just awesome to get one. Man, this guy didn't absolutely crush it, but I saw him eat it, and that was just great. All right, thank you so much, little bass. I'm really happy. I did not want to end. Thank you so much. See you, little dude.
Well, there you have it, guys. I just caught my second bass on the antique combo on topwater, as you just saw. That's just awesome. I did not expect to catch anything else, so I pitched my little topwater onto a corner of the pond where there's a bunch of muck. I brought it across and there was a little opening, and I saw a bass sitting there, so I twitched a little bit, saw him come up, and he slurped it. It was tiny, a small bass, but I cannot be happier. Man, that's a great way to formally complete this challenge, because one bass is enough to complete it, but two really shows that no matter what you use, if it works, you can catch fish. So it doesn't matter if you have a $100 rod, a $5 rod, a 40-year-old rod, or a day-old rod. You can catch fish, as well, obviously, as long as it works, but that's just awesome.